our 23-inch funnel cake and donuts countertop fryer. First off, the overall dimensions. A length of 23¼ inches, depth of 30 inches, with an overall height of 20 inches. Compartment right here will swing open with instructions on the bottom and information how to ignite the fryer. Have your drain valve, temperature control, and pilot. Basket to hold your funnel cakes and donuts, and the measurement for the tray will be 20 inches by 19¾ inches. Tray can be placed on the right stand to hold your donuts and funnel cakes, and can be put back for frying. Coming towards the side, we have our ETL certification stamp and natural gas information, and on the back will be the gas pipe inlet. For more information, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.